Hello guys, welcome to Graphicdad. So in this video we are going to create a business card design in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to use this logo. First of all, open your Illustrator and go to File, New. Now width 3.5, height 2 inch, 2 artboard, 1 for front and 1 for back, bleed 1 by 8 inches. In the advanced option, color mode cyan by K, raster effect high, and create. Now take a rectangle and draw on the artboard. Now we are going to remove the stroke. We're going to use this logo, select logo, edit, copy, edit, paste, adjust the size, put it on the top, make it larger. Now take another rectangle tool, and make a stripe like this. Now fill it with blue color. Select the eyedropper tool and done. Now go to edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Now reduce the width. For this half we are going to use blue color. Select the eyedropper tool, fill the blue color. Now in this portion we are going to put name, and this portion we are going to put contact information. You can make it a bit larger. Take a type tool, now write your name. For now I'm going to use a dummy name, John Leo. Make it white. Select a good font like Roboto or Lato. Let's say we're going to use Lato. Semicolon. Control T for character properties. Select all caps. Adjust the font size. Control C, copy. Control F, paste in place. Put creative director. You can make the font small. 7 point is enough. Make it centerline vertically, horizontal and vertically both. Now Control C, copy. Control V, paste. Now we're going to put phone number, email address, or any other information. Yes, we're going to put a dummy information. and we can use some kind of icons. You can download from flaticon.com. You can get a SVG PNG format, so you can use in Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, whatever you want. So this one is for phone, for email, for website, and for Instagram. Control C copy, Control V paste. First we're going to put a phone icon, secondly email icon, and third website, and fourth Instagram. Now make it a bit larger or small so we can match the size. Windows, align to select, pick eyedropper tool, click white. Now your front side is ready. Now we're going to create a back side. For back side we're going to use a full color. Take a rectangle tool and make a background. Take eyedropper tool and make the background red. Now Control C copy, Control F paste. So we're going to make red color white. Auto Windows color, make it white, make it white. Now we're going to Control C copy, Control F paste, make it blue. We can put a website here, www.graphicdad.com. Make it white. Now your business card is ready. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.